I got to ask this question. How do I search Google Drive to find the file I'm looking for? I'm going to show you some cool little tricks that you can use in Google Drive to search for files you want to find. So it starts right here. I'm looking at my drive and I'm going to type in a phrase, peanut butter. And I'm going to hit enter. And I'm telling Google to search in my drive and find the two words peanut butter. Let me put quotes around that so I'm more specifically looking for peanut butter. And here's a document called peanut butter. There's a reference to peanut butter in the responses to this Google form. There's a folder called peanut butter, and under the invitations spreadsheet, the word peanut butter is in there as well. And I've checked, the word peanut butter is in all four of those, or all three of those documents, and that file name is pretty clear, peanut butter. That's how it starts right there. Just look for the word or words or phrase that you're looking for. And by the way, notice if I didn't put quotes around that, it found connections.csv. The word peanut butter is not in there, but maybe the word peanut or the word butter is in there somewhere. That's where it starts right there. Now, even further, I can look for documents. I can say type documents, and I can type in, I want to look for banana. And there's two documents that have the word banana in it. I can put any phrase after I want. It's very specifically going to look for documents that meet the criteria that I'm looking for. But I can also get rid of that, and I can say look for sheets, presentations, forms, folders, PDFs, or videos. Now, furthermore, if I show search options, then I have even more options available to me in this Google search of my Google Drive. Who owns it, has these words, has the name, has these words in the name, where is it located? I can say anywhere or look at more locations, trash, start, encrypted, the date it was last modified, etc., and really refine my search in a very deliberate way as I'm searching my Google Drive to find whatever it is that I'm looking for. And again, it really does start very simplistically with just typing in a word or a phrase or a name or a number that you're looking for. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist. I hope this makes sense and is useful for you.